Here at Millennium Periodontics, we strive to achieve the best comprehensive treatment possible, and that encompasses innovative care. And with that, here at Millennium Periodontics, we have the options of treating periodontal disease using laser treatment that allows the body to heal in a more natural way that is less invasive and provides less discomfort for the patient and allows to rebuild the bone. Another innovative technology that we have here at Millennium Periodontics is a utilization of growth factors, even with a patient's own growth factors, to allow the patient to heal readily, speed up wound healing, and allow the body to help rebuild the bone that was lost so dental implant treatment can be done. And we use natural products, and that allows us to focus on a patient's oral health, but also their overall wellness. Here at Millennium Periodontics, we take pride in what we can offer our patients and to ensure that your trust is valued. So please come and see us today for a consult, and we'll be sure that we are here to listen to you and to give you that great smile that you deserve, and to be healthy and to be well.